Okay, fixed my problem, like personal problem, and I think it's night. Oh wait, no, it's still early. Where the hell are those sounds coming from? Yeah, see, it's still early. I'm gonna get a piece of stone. Why do I keep on coming back and forth, forgetting what I'm supposed to do? There. And I need food. Eh, if I get really low, I'll get some food. I always get my sword ready, just in case. Minecraft is scary. Like, I know, I have been playing this since I was very, very small. I always had a fascination with Minecraft. Never understood it. I just knew that I like Minecraft. Okay, what now? That. That. Yeah. Building bases is kind of hard. But time to go on a massacre. And also I heard that the campfire is better than the furnace. Which is true since you only need one piece of coal to get unlimited amounts of food. So it's a better investment. Good. I wonder where are the animals? Like, not joking. Where are the animals? Are they playing hide and seek with me? I'm going through my bridge. I might die, but that's the thrill of Minecraft. And perfect. Just what I needed. Bruh, just one. Do you have some more meat on your bones? Come here. Damn it, the lag. I haven't been here since episode 1. Now, where's the other? Anyways, I heard I can put the signs on my banners. I need more wool. I can't believe a simple pig has more health than a sheep. Oh no. Run, I gotta run. Okay, good, I survived. Can I sleep? God damn it. Well, I need more cobblestone. Time to go off mining. I wish I risked my life for that. You know what? I'm making this another pool. I need coal. Just one. And damn, I'm low. Really low. Okay, gotta get some. This pool is good enough. Just need to add some to get this out some more. And there. Water. Good thing I made that infinite water generator. There. That was easy. There, easy. Alright, gotta sleep. I'm gonna get some more food over there. Every single time I go outside, it's another time that I fear for my life. Fishing rod. Let's hope that I get something good this time. Ay, ay, ay. I hate more fishing. I just wish I can fish fast. God damn it. Why am I so bad at fishing? Where's the one? I wonder where the what? How do fish actually get there using only 2 buckets of water? Just curious, like, how does that work? How are they still alive? And where the hell are the fish? I know that they're there. Screw it, I didn't. Wait, what? I got it by pure chance. No way. There. Now that that's settled, I'm feeling really confident this time. I'm keeping 4. Actually, I'm really surprised that no one, like, no actual mobs spawned in, accidentally walked into my establishment, and just so happened to be ready for killing. Like, I'm surprised. This is where I'll live, and my old settlement will be for Nya. I wonder why that guy named it Nya. Probably he used to be a femboy. I know what you'll say. Don't bully femboys. But still, you're a man. And also, now that I've gotten older, I've learned so much more about gender or something like that. I searched on Bing what's the meaning of gender and sex. Sex is the natural gender. Basically, like, were you born with male organs or female organs? And gender is more of an attitude version. Like, do you act like a woman? Well, that search made me think, what the hell? There was a difference? And also, maybe femboys are sex of a man, but gender of a female. Yeah, I don't know why I'm getting also so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the hell am I doing. All I know is Minecraft good. Wait a minute, I thought of something. What the? Yeah, I'm just gonna make this a cobblestone slab. Disgusting. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it a cobblestone slab. I wonder what it'll do with the other slab. And god damn it. Oh wait, I gotta cook my meat. Yeah, I gotta cook my meat out in the open or somebody can attack me. Great. Great plan. I just wish I put up my shield next time a creeper spawns. Because if I go back to my game with my farm destroyed and my dirt gone, I will be very disappointed. And I need to heal. 3.5. Who knew that pork chops are the best? 3.5. Oh yeah. That reminds me, I should put inventory. Yeah. Check. This one. Check. I'll put it here. Yeah, it's starting to look like a home. I'll only eat to maximize my duration or something. Who knows, maybe this slab will be useful in a new build. God damn it. Nothing again. I'll cook that later. I really need to get some more cobblestone. And also, if I ever run out of, granite to make my stone cutters wherever I am, I have an entire mine for it. Everything is mine. I wonder how big is that? Oh, wow. Wow. 4. I can safely go up there now since there's a bed. Whew. Good thing these guys can be reused a lot. Good thing these stone cutters can be reused. If I'm not fully prepared, I could die. Well, I should end this episode, but I really should also use this. So I wonder what should I do. I think I'll just go into my editing software and just speed it up. I don't know how. I will search it up. I've also made playlists so that in case somebody will waste their time watching my vids, at least you can watch the entirety of the season 1, season 2, season 3, season whatever. But let's go for episode 69. For some reason, it's the funny number. And I will keep it that way. For some reason. I don't know. I came prepared. Now, time for... See? Oh, damn. Not again. Well... Okay, fine. It did do nothing, but... Still did something at least. Right? Ay, ay, ay. Why is there damn bunny in my base? You're mine. Fine, forget about it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and see you next week. And also soon I'll be able to upload daily. In case you know my schedule, you'll know why I'll be able to upload daily. So that's the vid. Bye. Hello, welcome back guys. Today we're playing Minecraft once again. And today we're gonna be trying to get some copper to make my house better because I need them copper. 3.3 megabytes. I have. Is gigabyte better than mega? Just curious. I'm seriously thinking of upgrading my phone. But still too broke. There I'm back. Gotta sleep. Seriously, why does it have to make me super broke? It doesn't make sense. Hell no. Do I like it? Still no. Alright. Okay, good. Um, yeah, good. Good thing that I blocked it. Because that could have gone south real fast. There. Yeah, I'm definitely going up. I need to put my cobblestone somewhere. Or does it sound kind of scary? These sounds make me so scared that I want to not make my base. Okay, good. Whew. Ay. Yeah, I'm scared of green now. I just see green and I'm scared. Whew. Yeah, I gotta pee real quick. Just gotta go down and then yeah, I'm safe here.